Welcome back, everybody. We've got a new problem up on the roof at my buddy's house today. So we are at the transition point between the sloped and the flat roof. And where the tiles terminate, we have these mortar end pieces, bulkheads. But some of these pieces have been removed for some reason. And iguanas are getting in and creating a ruckus underneath there. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take some of these transparent plastic pieces that we retrieved from the recycling bin. I think you get these when you buy clothing or shoes or... Anyway, it's a very thin plastic piece, maybe an eighth of an inch or a quarter of an inch thick. And we're going to create a one-way check valve to keep them from being able to go back in. It will allow them to come out, but not go back in. All right, so here's the finished product. Kind of created a one-sided wedge. So the idea being it'll be easy for them to come out, easier, but going back in will be significantly more challenging. And we're hoping this shit works, but the only way to find out for sure is to bring a camera up here and monitor it for motion. Yeah. All right, hope this helps you. Good luck. Bye. All right, guys, welcome back to another episode of doing roof work without any tools. So what we have today is we've got some these are roof tile mortar. We had some left over, and we're gonna use this flower pot, mix up a little bit of roof tile mortar to plug the I'm gonna shift the scene up.
You see the piece of your contraption.
Oh, nice. So this is not usually part of procedure, but because we're using makeshift tools, that's why I have to plug the drain holes on this pot, duct tape, before we load it up with mortar. It would be 15 minutes if we had the right tools. Because we don't want to do this once, but because we don't have the right tools, we'll have to do this like 5 times. Oh shit.
Yeah, but at least we won't have to carry 60 pounds up there.
Do the what up there?
At least we won't have to carry 60 pounds up there.
Yeah, that's true. Just for the camera, consistency of flour, like we're making dough, and that's all you do. Very simple.
Alright, so we're filling in these holes under the roof tiles because we had iguanas going in. There's several of them that were open, and so with mortar we fill them in and use a tube like this to leave these weep holes here, like that right there, so that water can drain out of there if any water gets in. It won't pool. There.
Should be good, right? Let's see any other holes.